This tutorial will demonstrate how to clean and maintain your BBP12 printer to keep it running properly. It is recommended to clean your printer after each roll of supply. To clean your printer, you will need compressed air, clean foam swabs, and isopropyl alcohol. You can also use pre-soaked swabs, available for purchase from Brady's website. Make sure the printer is turned off. Use a pre-soaked swab to clean the printhead surface. This helps remove dust, debris, and adhesive buildup. Be careful not to touch the printhead with your fingers. Clean the platen roller by wiping it with a clean, pre-soaked swab. You may need to manually advance the roller to clean all sides. You can also use compressed air to clean the sensors. Allow the components to dry briefly, and then you can reload your materials and resume printing.